Sure. Here is a diagram of periscope.
Yeah. Yes, sir.
Did
Yeah,
you
yeah.
draw it
Done.
before?
Yeah, yeah, sir. It's done. I'm just that is right.
You are just saying its beauty, right?
No, no, sir. I'm just saying if I missed something or not.
Okay. You did not miss anything, right?
Yeah, yeah, I did.
Resume recording. Okay. So here we got some advantages of optical fiber cable. Can you read, please, Mohammed Saad, this one?
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Advantages of optical fiber cable: lower, low power loss. An optical fiber offers low power loss, which allows for longer transmission distances. In comparison to copper, in an in a network, the longest recommended copper distance is 100 meter, while with fiber, it is 2 kilometers. Weight:
Yeah.
fiber optic cables are much thinner and lighter than metal wires. They also occupy less space with cables of the same information capacity. Lighter weight makes fiber easier to install. Security: optical fibers are difficult to tap as they do not radiate electromagnetic energy. Emissions can emissions cannot be intercepted, as physically tapping the fiber takes great skill to do undetected. Fiber is the most required medium available for carrying sensitive data. Cost: the raw materials for glass are plentiful, unlike copper. This means glass can be made more cheaply than copper.
So you write this heading, advantages of optical fiber, and write what I'm saying to write. Don't write everything,
Okay,
just
sir.
you write.
Okay,
First
sir.
point,
1 minute, sir.
yeah,
Sir, 1 minute, sir.
first point is low power loss. Write this. Till
Whole
here.
point, sir.
Yeah, this one. Second point is less weight. Okay, less weight. You write less weight. The third point you write here secured.
Sir, can I say something, sir?
So one more time.
Yeah, I'm telling.
Advantage of optical fiber. Okay.
Yeah, you wrote the heading advantages of optical fiber.
Yes, sir. Writing advantage.
Yeah, write it first.
Sir,
Wait,
sir, do you need to write the whole, like only the low power loss? Then you have to write also that.
what I said you do that. Only write low power loss.
Yeah, yeah. I was just asking that.
Yeah.
Then, sir,
Number two, you write less weight.
let's wait. Then,
Number three, more secured.
okay, sir.
So number two, what will write?
Less weight.
Oh, less weight. Okay, sir. Less weight.
Then number three, most secured. Number four, low cost.
Sir, most secured. Most.
More secured.
Oh,
We are
okay, more
comparing.
secured.
We are comparing with copper wire, right? So it is more secured.
Secured. Okay, sir. And four is
Less cost.
less cost.
Low cost. You write low cost.
Oh, it's a low cost.
Wrote it, sir.
Sir, can I add something, sir?
What you want to add?
Like this is the disadvantage, sir, that you cannot bend optical fiber that much.
You cannot. Why you cannot bend?
Sir, since it is made up of glass, there is a chance that it can break.
Yeah. So it is also one advantage you think.
No, no, sir. This is the disadvantage.
So don't write disadvantage. Just your advantage, right? Okay.
Yeah, no, no. I just told you.
Yeah, you keep in your mind. That's
Yeah,
it. Now we are having here this diagram. Only draw this diagram, not other diagram. Okay. Don't draw this. Only this.
Allah.
Only this simple one, okay? While you are drawing, you maintain one thing and
Yes,
make
sir.
it bigger. You must
Hmm.
draw in a way that your angle of incidence and angle of reflection are equal, okay? You draw one line here, right? Here one line. This is normal, okay?
Sir, another line, sir. In the middle, sir. Total
Yeah.
internal reflection.
Is it clear to you that you should draw normal here so that you can understand angle of incidence and angle of reflection are equal? Draw nicely, eh? And you see here one arrow. We have one arrow here, another arrow here, so that we can see the direction of light ray.
Sir, drawn. Finish, sir. Drawing finish.
Drawing is done, okay? Mohammad Saad, are you done with?
No, sir.
And after drawing is done, you write here figure
Done.
caption. TIR in optical fiber. What is TIR?
Total internal reflection.
Yes. Right here, huh? Zawad. TIR in optical fiber. Are you done, Mohammad Saad?
Sir, written. Yes.
So we are done with optical fiber, everything. Now we are going to lens. Lens. Who is using lens? Saad is using lens, right? Mohammad Saad.
Yes, sir.
So why are you using lens?
Sir, because my uh, eyes cannot adjust the focus.
Okay, so you need some extra support, right?
Yes, sir.
And other than your glass, where we are using lens? In our mobile phone, right?
Yes, sir.
In any other place?
Yeah, I think, sir. Where?
Where? In the projector
Sir,
also, right?
camera, sir, camera.
Camera.
Monitor screen.
Yeah, in your laptop also there, right? Lens,
Yeah.
webcam.
Yes.
Then any other place?
No, sir, not about any other place. Yeah, sir.
That
Some more
magnifying
places.
glass, magnifying glass.
Magnifying glass.
Yeah,
Oh, yeah, yeah. There is a lens. Yeah.
in lab we have magnifying glass, isn't it?
Yes, sir.
So this way in many places we are using the lens, right? You know about microscope, right?
Yes, sir.
In microscope also we have lenses, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so there are many places we are using lenses. That's why we have to know how the lens is working. So can you read here at the beginning what is written here? Lens.
Yes, sir. The lens is a transparent medium, usually glass, bounded by two curved surfaces. Generally, they are spherical, cylindrical, or plane surfaces.
Yeah.
There are two basic kinds of lenses: converging and diverging.
Okay, now you
Thin,
write this. Write this heading lens, then write till here diverging. Lens everything you write from lens heading to till diverging.
yes,
Yeah, Mohammed Shafkat Ahmed Adib. Shafkat Ahmed Adib. Hello, Shafkat. Shafkat is there?
Oh, yes, sir, yes, sir.
Okay, so are you writing, Shafkat?
Sir, but I missed optical fibers, sir. I didn't write the whole thing. You skip that one.
Just you write lens now, quickly.
Okay,
Lens,
sir.
the whole thing you write. Because it is a small thing, you can write, and it is very useful. You learn the definition of lens, okay?
Yes, sir.
And we have two types of lenses, converging and diverging.
So there is a mistake. It should be plain surfaces, not plain. Hmm.
Which
The
one?
so like cylindrical, like generally either spherical, cylindrical, or plain. PLIN, I think it would be.
No, actually we write this way.
Huh?
When I was
Plain.
students also we thought like you.
I
This way
think
we
that's
write.
wrong idea.
Yeah, it's aeroplane. It came from aeroplane. Okay, that plane.
Okay.
It's not like plain land. Is it clear now?
Okay.
Yes, spherical. Sir, almost finished.
Yes. So, Jawad,
Finish, sir.
this is a
Yes, sir.
nice thing that you are regularly joining class. But one thing I really expect from you to go through the
Yes, sir.
notes. Regularly, you should go through the notes. That is
I finished the
actually not
writing.
happening. If you are not
sir.
revising, you will forget everything.
Okay,
You
sir.
please go through. Huh? Now, thin converging lens. Shafkat,
Yes, sir.
please read this part.
Okay.
Sir, converging and can I see, sir? Last line I didn't read that.
Yeah, here
Converging
it's
and
there. It's here. Converging and
no,
diverging. Yeah,
or diverging,
converging
yes,
and
sir.
diverging. That's it. Yeah, Shafkat read.
Any optical lens that is thicker in the middle, figure 14.22, then at the edges will make parallel light ray light rays converge at a point and is called converging lens.
Can you read again?
Yes, sir. Any optical lens that is thicker in the middle, figure 14.22, then at the edges will make parallel light rays converge to a point and is called converging lens.
Okay, you see the diagram is thicker in the middle, right? The lens,
Yes, sir. Yes.
and parallel rays coming from distant object. Those are, converging or meeting together at a single point. That's why this type of lens called converging lens. Is it clear to everyone?
The thicker means the blue part.
Yes, this one, the middle part is thicker, right?
Yes, sir.
This is lens. This one is lens, right? You see, this one is lens, right? So you see in the
Yes,
middle it's thicker and at the corner it's thinner. This is called converging lens. And look, the parallel rays coming, they are meeting at a single point. This point is known as principal focus of the lens. What it is known as?
Sir, can you show the thick? Sir, I can
Sir,
understand
This
the
part.
thick.
Yeah, the middle part is thicker, right? And
Which middle part, sir? Yeah, okay, this one.
lens,
Yeah.
my cursor, you see, the middle part is
Yes,
thicker
sir.
and corner is thinner. Both the corners are thinner. Is it clear
Oh,
now?
like the shape. Yeah, yes, sir.
Yeah.
sir,
Yes.
sir, this lens is used for the people who cannot see মানে যারা সামনে দেখতে পারে না ওদের জন্য
Yes, yes, sir. That
converging
one
lens.
we'll discuss. That one we'll discuss later.
Yeah.
We have more details. You do not need to write anything from here. Just we understood what is converging lens. Now we will try to understand some terms. Main terms for lens. What is optical center? Then what is principal axis? What is focal point or principal focus? Then focal length. This one we are going to understand. Look, can you see the diagram? This is also one converging lens. And this point, the center point of this lens is known as optical center.
And then diverging.
Diverging we will discuss later. Huh? Diverging we have later. First we finish the converging one. So this is optical center. The center point of the lens is known as optical center. And the horizontal line going through the optical center is known as principal axis. So you understood what is called optical center and principal axis. Now this line, this
So I
dotted
don't know the principal axis, sir. Optical, I understood. Axis, sir.
principal axis, you see there is one
The
horizontal
line.
line. This one is
Oh, okay,
horizontal
sir.
line. Yeah, this
Oh.
one is imaginary line. Yeah, like the normal.
Oh.
We discussed about normal, right?
Yes, sir.
Like that one principal axis, it is an imaginary line going through the optical center. It is known as principal axis.
Principal axis. Okay, sir.
Is it clear? Now we have,
Yes, sir.
you see, one vertical line. Look, this one is dotted lines. The vertical line, and this line is known as optical axis. And it is also going
Yes,
through
sir.
the optical center, but it's going vertically. It is optical axis.
Yes.
Axis. Then we have focus. principal focus. Okay, you see these parallel lines from distant object, those are coming and those are bending here. After bending, these are meeting at a single point on the principal axis. That point is known as principal focus. Is it clear? Principal focus.
Yes, sir.
Hello. Then we
Yes, sir.
have
Yeah, it's clear, sir.
focal length. What is focal length? You see the optical center and the focus, principal focus. The distance between optical center and principal focus is known as focal length. You see it's labeled here, focal length with arrow, and it is represented by small f, focal length. So it is also clear, right? Focal length.
So the distance between the normal and the focus, principal focus, right, sir?
Not normal, we say optical center. The
Oh, sorry,
distance
sorry.
between
Sir,
optical
between the
center and
optical center.
the distance between optical center and principal focus is known as focal length. So can you please draw this diagram? You write the heading, different parts of a lens.
Sir, I think only 3 minutes left. Or
So
of passing
write
it 50, sir.
3 minutes left only.
Or sir, in 50, I don't know, sir.
It will be 50, yeah, finished by
Oh,
50.
50, then 2
30
minutes
minutes left.
time left.
So you write different parts of a lens.
Different parts of a lens. Heading, sir.
Yes. Different
Parts of a so lens spelling I forgot.
parts, or you give slash terms of a lens.
Different parts of lenses, sir. Lens.
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
So different parts or terms of a lens. Please draw this diagram. Then I will show you the definition again. Then you will write. Okay.
So we don't have this diagram in our books, sir. I think we are doing it from book.
You have it in your book, but you should draw it now to understand it. Draw it, please. It's very important to draw.
Yes, sir.
In light, you have lots of things to draw, so you should have good practice how to draw. And when you are drawing these lines, you should use the pencil and ruler. Take these notes, please. Yeah, Shafkat. Hello, Shafkat. Shafkat, are you
Sir, I
writing?
think he's sleeping.
Shafkat.
Yes,
Sir, he's
sir,
sleeping.
right.
Shafkat.
Oh no, he
Yes,
is here.
sir.
Yes, Shafkat.
Yes, sir, I'm here.
Yeah, Jawad was saying you are sleeping. Are you really sleeping?
No, sir.
Are you sleeping?
Are you drawing?
Yes, sir.
Please
But sir,
draw
can
it.
you
Please draw this
can
diagram.
you
It's very important to draw.
sir, can you show me the optical fiber? I did not write the definition.
You take it from the recordings,
Okay.
because if after 5 minutes another one is coming and saying, "Sir, please explain us total internal reflection," then whole year will go with the light. Light is a big chapter, but we are taking little bit more. As you see, today also we started late. The first lesson, then second lesson also 5 minutes late. You are joining late. Please join on time.
Well, sir. Sir, I join in time, but sir, like What I will do, sir? There is a problem. Like I have to enter my name. I forgot that.
Yeah, no problem. You're right now.
Sir, finish.
Finish drawing.
Yes, sir.
All are done.
No, sir.
Labeling also
No.
done.
No, sir.
Yes, sir.
Mohammed
Labeling
Saad,
also
what
done.
about you?
Sir,
Sir,
we have to
not
write
done,
figure
sir.
1.14
What
point.
about Shafkat?
Not done, sir. Not done. Sir, জাওয়াদ মিথ্যা কথা বলতেছে স্যার, ও এসএস তুলে রাখছে, পরে ড্রয়িং করবে।
স্যার দেখেন স্যার, আপনি দেখাচ্ছি স্যার, দেখেন এই দেখেন স্যার, স্যার এই দেখেন স্যার।
Nice, it's awesome drawing. But if you could draw nicely, more nicely with your ruler, right?
Yes, sir. I will, yes, sir. I will try.
Next time you use ruler, please, huh?
Yes, জাওয়াদ used ruler.
सबका के এক্সেস তুলছি सबका।
তুই যাতে স্যারকে দেখাস তার জন্য আমি বলছি, জানোস।
So, Mohammed Saad, how long it will take?
Sir, 2 minutes, sir. 2 minutes.
Okay, do it. Are you doing nicely with your ruler?
Yes, sir. I'm making it as clear.
Shafkat, what I told about optical center? What is optical? Yeah, Shafkat. Hello, Shafkat. 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 Hello, Shafkat. Shafkat is muted. Are you seeing anything? Any signal I am giving you? Zawad, I am saying you to unmute it.
Oh, sir, like my net is like disturbing. That's why I didn't heard.
Yeah.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yeah,
Yes, sir,
Shafkat,
শুনতে পাচ্ছিলাম না, স্যার।
you tell me what is optical center?
Sir, it is a point on the axis of a lens.
This is center of the lens. You say this way. Optical center is the center of the lens. Okay.
Okay.
Then what is optical axis?
Optical axis.
Yeah, optical axis. It's written here. It's labeled here. Optical axis.
It is a line along which there is a rotational symmetry.
It is a vertical line passing through optical center.
Okay.
Then what is principal axis?
Principal axis.
Yeah.
Wait. It is a line that passes through the center of a lens.
It is a horizontal line, right? Horizontal
sorry,
line
double
passing through the.
Horizontal.
Yeah, one is vertical, another one is horizontal. That is the
Passing through the
difference.
optical. Passing through the optical axis.
Optical center. Optical center. Okay. Now what is principal focus?
Principal focus. It is the point where light rays from a point on the object converge.
Yeah.
Or something.
So it is a point where the parallel light rays are converging together on the principal axis, right?
Yes, sir.
So is it clear? What is the definition of focal length? What is focal length?
Focal length, it is a measure of how strongly the system
Sir, can you
converges.
see my diagram, sir?
Yes, yes, it's nice. So it is the difference or the distance between. It's a awesome diagram. Yeah, thank you. So it is the distance between optical center and principal focus. Can you repeat, Shafkat?
Yes, sir. It is
Focal
a
length.
difference between optical focus and so what you said?
Optical center
Optical center.
and principal focus. Is
Okay.
it clear now?
Yes, sir.
Completely clear.
Yes, sir.
So you write it from here. Yeah, these four things you write. Huh? The first four things: optical center, principal axis, then focal point, then focal length. These four things you write quickly.
স্যার আমি না দেখে বলছি স্যার এগুলো দেখতে পারতেছিলাম না।
Nah, I was saying without seeing, right? Yeah, now you can say. Yeah, you please write it. Huh? Write it on your copy. What is optical
What,
center?
sir?
What is, yeah, these four.
Sir, what is a focal plane, sir?
Focal plane we will learn later. Now you write these four.
Oh, only this four, sir.
Yeah, these four you learn. And beside symmetrically you write horizontally.
Which one, sir? Symmetrically. Oh, okay, sir.
Yeah, beside symmetrically you write horizontally.
Yes, sir. I'm right. Yes, sir. So the electricity just went out. I don't know why it is happening so much.
Please write quickly. Optical center, principal axis, focal point, focal length. These four definitions you learn.
স্যার হরিজেন্টালি যে প্রিন্সিপাল অ্যাক্সিসে হরিজেন্টালি এটা কোথায় লিখবো মানে সিমেট্রিক্যালের পরে নাকি আগে?
Yeah, after symmetrically you give slash or bracket, then you write it. Huh?
ওকে
After symmetrically you give slash, then you write horizontally.
Sir, what is deviated, sir?
Say,
Sir, sir, rays passing through the optical center are not deviated.
not deviated means not bending. It will go straight. So are you done, everyone?
No,
The
sir.
last one, focal length.
Yeah, write it quickly, please.
The done, sir.
So we can close our meeting, right?
Sir, 1 minute, sir. Let me take a
Please
screenshot.
do it quickly.
Yes, sir. Screenshot is taken. Sir, can you tap it a bit up to the diagram just for a second?
Where?
Sir, diagram, sir.
Our meeting will be over now.
Okay, sir. Okay. No problem.
Next class we will discuss. Okay. Thank you. Allah Hafiz, huh?
Okay, sir. Okay, sir. Allah Hafiz.